Where are my snorers at? What about spouses who sleep with a snorer? This is for you. I never thought a simple mouthpiece could make such an impact, but after using the Soothie anti-snoring mouthguard, I noticed an immediate improvement in my sleep. By the first night, I could feel the difference. My partner, who had dealt with my snoring for years, woke up refreshed, just like me. No noise, no tossing, just peaceful sleep. As the days went on, the improvements kept coming. I woke up feeling energized, no longer needing that instant coffee fix. By the end of the month, my sleep score had improved and I no longer showed any signs of sleep apnea. Stop wishing you're snoring away. It's not going to happen. Grab the Soothie today. You and your spouse are going to thank me later.